Hello guys. So today in our chat show we have a very wonderful personality. Yeah, she is a Miss Universe, and you are also going to meet her because I don't think that she belongs to Earth planet because she is so beautiful and sweet that I can't believe that she is a human beings or a sweet girl of the Earth planet. So let's have a wonderful chat with her, and I think especially who are eager to learn English because she is an expert in English, and also she will share her journey, that how he did a full command on English and all these things. So let's have start. Okay. Hello. Hi, Anita.
Hi, hi. Hello.
Yes, Anita, first of all, tell me that you are so beautiful and gorgeous that where are you from? Because I don't think that you are from the Earth planet. So, first of all, tell me which planet are you belong to?
Actually, I'm the same planet like you, and this is Earth, and I'm from India. So I don't think so. I'm so gorgeous, beautiful as we say, because I assume like means I also a normal girl, but yeah, whatever I have means God gave me. So only like
Okay,
that.
but first of all, tell me, okay, that why are you so sweet? Because what is the secret of your sweetness? Because your voice is very sweet and stable,
Uh,
inspirational.
uh, I don't think so. My voice, my face is so sweet. But yeah, whatever I have, I love myself a lot. So I honor myself. So maybe because of that, uh, people they love my voice, they love my looks. So so I feel good actually for all the people who they are thinking about me like that. So I feel also grateful and gratitude like that kind of people in my life, and so I'm very happy and thankful God for that all.
So, Anita, I came to know from my media sources that you are so sweet because your father was a sweet maker, or he had a sweet shop.
No. Never. He means open sweet shop as I know, and he's a service person.
Hmm.
So he did. Mm. Actually, my dad not with me now this year, so he passed away. But yeah, but many people said, and I heard from many people like means my face is resemble like my father a little bit.
You know, our famous actress Jacqueline Fernandez. So she resembles like you.
Oh no, it can't happen because she is so beautiful and I like her so much. So, so far reach that place, so I should work many things. I should work about many things. I should improve many things.
Hmm. Okay.
But I love her so much.
Hmm. Okay, nice, very nice. But your English is very nice and very stable. So, how did you start your journey of learning English? Because
Yeah.
nowadays many people are struggling to learn English, and they can't find a proper method, or they are confused how to start, from where we start, and like that. So, do you have any tips for them?
Actually, same situation is happened to me also. So when I started, when that special thought came in my mind, so that time I was so alone, and so I felt so lonely because no one was there with me to teach me, to guide me, accepting only my friend and sister. She helped me a lot. And and one thing, whenever I made a mind for do something, so without do that, uh, so I can't keep my mind calm. So it was also a reason I started to learn and talk and all, finding try to find with talk with something, talk English with someone. So I also try to find it English fellow. Yeah, that time I was felt like means, so what was means happened, what is happened to me, because I want to learn and I don't have friend to talk and anymore. So but yeah, from day one when I started to read book and all, so I started to talk also simultaneously, because without talk it's not possible. I know that very well. So I was taught to talk from day one. But yeah, so horrible. That talks was so horrible. I know that, but I tried, and I was never hesitated to do all of things. But yeah, one my friend, she is just listening to me, uh, but she never mocked me, never made fun about my talks and all. But she supported me a lot. So journey was started from this time. I think 8 months before, but I didn't get time to learn continuously 8 months. So during that 8 months, many months, uh, also lack of time. I was not read, learn, and talk with my friends. But yeah, so accepting all these months, so only 6 months, so hardly 6 months I learned and I talked. But yeah, book reading helped me a lot. So I was started to read book. When I started to read book, that time I just read and I didn't get the meanings. Then I put pen and paper and I bring copy. So I started to write down all words, sentence structure, and uh, I was also that time watching videos to improve my English and all. So I was started with judo. When I was started to learn, talk, watch video and listening and all. So that time is I was so poor to understand the things and uh, but yeah, every time my walk was like this morning, day, night, from morning to night and day, night also. Uh, just I just read, write, finding the meanings of words. I wanted to build up my vocabulary. So without vocabulary, never improve English. Many people say means yeah only use the normal words, but yeah, it's speaking. It's for only speaking, good. But for others talks to understand and seminars to attend or watching movies, English movies and others. So it is not enough. So need must vocabulary, more vocabulary. So vocabulary is like a tree. When yeah, our tree it's growing more and more. So so it's like a tree. So we can get from that tree uh, air and all, so fruits and all. So it's like a tree. So we should focus about build up our vocabulary also. And most important is talking. Without talking, if we are learning a lot, we know many things, but we are not talking with anyone. So never, so never can't speak. So it is very important. And also one thing I wanna share is listen everything whatever you get in your mobile, the TV. So use only English. So never try to listen in other language. Also in your in native language, because these days we are learning English. So most important in watch in listen in English everything. Whatever we know before, it doesn't matter. But speak in English and watch in English. If we are know that particular story from before, but it doesn't matter. But listen and learn and talk everything. We should use English language.
Okay, so
So
uh, I think that okay in a short period, okay in 6 months, okay you got a full command on your English, especially you okay you speak okay very well and okay in a very on a very stable method. So you think that you need a English partner also. So it is necessary.
yeah, because without friend, because when we are learning from our childhood any kind of language, so we are not talking with ourselves every time. Yeah, we are imitate means people means God makes us like from childhood we are just imitate from our guardian and all surrounding people. So for it's good imitation, but uh, like a child, they
Yes.
are all time like to spend with their family and all surrounding people, because they are learning, they are in a learning process. So that's why, so we are also like same. Yeah, we are big and we are older than child, but in learning English we are still child. So me a lot.
Okay, thank you, Anita.
So
So I think yeah, I have a guess. Okay, from you, your from your conversation that you are really a brain with beauty because you are a Miss Universe as well as a good dancer and I can say you are a live diva that but sometimes I think that how do you balance okay all these activities you do and how to okay maintain your beauty and okay like that so could you explain.
actually, yeah. Yeah, but I can, but I don't think so. Like means it's should be, yeah, for improve, for enhance our beauty, should think about many and more. So when we are learning something, so learn something, the good things, positive things. So it can be help people to enhance their beauty also, not only inner beauty, outside beauty also. But yeah, looks is also important. But nowadays I learned many things, because I learned some I did modeling and all. From that side also I learned many things. How should we stay, how should we carry our clothes and alls and body language. Yeah, so I learned myself to watching people's and their behaviors to talks, and so everything. No means I didn't go any institute to learn this all things, but yeah, uh, this all ways which I worked already, so it's helped me a lot to improve myself. So
Okay.